Youths of Rumueme Kingdom for Obiakpo local government area don yarn say dem no dey part of the protest wey shele for the gate of Agip oil company some days ago for Port Harcourt. Una go remember say some members of Ngboshimini community do one we no go gree protest to demand dem say make dem do direct interface with the community. But youth leader for Rumueme Kingdom Yenche Wonogu for one to talk with Tori people come yarn say Ngboshimini no be community for Rumueme Kingdom and also claim say the original host of Agip company for Port Harcourt na Oracle community. A consti talk say most of the people wey dey present for the protest don benefit from Agip company and say some of them wey claim say dem be community members no belong to Rumueme Kingdom. E also claim say the protest na for personal interest, no be for the interest of the community, and come call on Governor Fubara make him mobilize the police to stop those wey dey always barricade the company's gates.
The lady who spoke claiming that Agip is not employing our people and also not paying the widows, it is very wrong, because her husband is a direct staff of Agip. And as such, Agip cannot carry a load of paying widows, because if Agip started, that means all the men in Rumueme Kingdom, their wives will kill them to enable them collect money from Agip. So we strongly condemn it. To put the record straight, Ngboshimini is not a community in Rumueme Kingdom, it's just a colloquial name. Where Agip is situated today is Oracle community, and Oracle community is the host community, and Rumueme Kingdom is the landlord to Nigerian Agip Oil Company.
Nigerian Agip Oil Company, since 2018, as they have claimed that Nigerian Agip has not employed anybody in Rumueme Kingdom, has employed over 100 persons in Rumueme Kingdom, both direct and indirect. We have the facts and figures. The people who are working there, they are still alive, they are still working. One of our brothers named Weli Yenche, aka Working Gav, which is also a major contractor in Agip, he has over 5 contracts in Agip. The issue is that because he was not nominated as the cluster head, he said, why would they do cluster without nominated as the cluster head? Since then, he has been fighting this kingdom, fighting the youth, writing previous petition. They are taking us to Abuja so many times. We went there, they didn't come to defend what they wrote. So I want to tell the public that they should disregard the activities. Those people are not, they are not the right people to talk about Agip activities. They will have the kingdom. If Agip have any issue, they will approach the kingdom. Even the youth, we are just like a pressure group. We are not here to say Agip should deal with the youth. Agip deal with the kingdom, and it triggers out to the youth and all the members of the kingdom.
Over the years, the company has been carrying us along, even as things have been hard in the country. So I want to say that most of the people that are doing this are driven by greed and the desire of the group of people to always be at the helm of affairs. And we strongly condemn their actions, and we are calling on all security agencies to help disperse such unlawful gathering. We are a peace-loving community, and at least for the past 2 years and more, our community has lived in peace.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Rivers State, Ekata Ojisoli, TNC TV News.